Welcome back to the nightcap. We're actually going to be making a drink for the morning. So we will be doing the Dew Sweeper. It's going to be a screwdriver with a little nightcap twist on it. So we'll get started. It's going to be 2 ounces of your vodka. We're going to go orange juice, dash of Sprite, dash of pineapple juice. Get that sweet in there, and we're on. So we're going to build that in a glass with ice already. And we're going to start it out with the Spirit, the Kettle One vodka. As I mentioned seconds ago, we will be doing 2 ounces of that. There we go. And after we do the vodka, we're going to be putting orange juice in. No exact measurements. We're going to be filling up most of this. About right there. I'll say that's going to be about 4 ounces. Now we'll do a splash of pineapple juice. Finish that up with a splash of any lemon lime soda. We'll do Sprite like that, and then get a twist in. Stir it up a bit, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Dew Sweeper. She's Butte Clark. Cheers.